Cat, C-A-T, cat, means billy. Dog, D-O-G, dog, means kutta. Donkey, D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey, means gadha. Goat, G-O-A-T, goat, means bakri. Rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit, means khargosh. Horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse, means ghoda. Camel, C-A-M-E-L, camel, means ऊंट. Cow, C-O-W, cow, means गाय. Lion, L-I-O-N, lion, means शेर. Elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant, means हाथी. Wolf, W-O-L-F, wolf, means भेड़िया. Giraffe, G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe, means giraffe. Bear, B-E-A-R, bear, means भालू. Zebra, Z-E-B-R-A, zebra, means zebra. Tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger, means बाघ. Deer, D-E-E-R, deer, means हिरन. Yak, Y-A-K, yak, means चमड़ी गाय. Rhinoceros, R-I-N-O-S-O-R-U-S, rhinoceros, means गेंडा. Leopard, L-E-O-P-A-R-D, leopard, means तेंदुआ. Hippopotamus, H-I-P-P-O-P-O-T-A-M-U-S, hippopotamus, means जलहस्ती. Cheetah, C-H-E-E-T-A-H, cheetah, means cheetah. Monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey, means बंदर. Sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep, sheep, means भेड़. If you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe.